Jay, sumakot sa gitna. Pass to Brian. Nag-reserve pa rin mga special location. Mga pakapagalas pa. Brian, ay, Gab, Borsi. Itaas. Top of the key. Floater, yes! Nabangan. JR. Pull-up jumper off the glass. 53. Maybe just nice pass. Bola. Nakakuha ni Gab. Gab, na-challenge si Nick. Pull-up jumper, too strong. Nick, long rebound. Yes! Go by Brian. Yes, sir! Mink, wide open sa corner 3. Took the shot. Yes, sir! Challenge the defense. 2-on-1. Duel. Yes, sir! Diyan, nagmamadali. Habang nagpatay na ang defender. Pero nakasaktan na defense. Pinasa. Nakuha ni Alvin. Nag-pass. Support. Step na naman ni Gab. Pinasa kay. Oh, giving goal. One-handed there by and RJ is all alone. It's a great defense by Nick Stabile. Piling ni Nick Stabile. Oh, no! Nice! Naghahanap. Pinigay ni Nick. Alvin, the scavenger Kuray. Ang nakakakuha ng mga dirt. By RJ. He's second attempt.
Bato.
Binigay kay Tommy all alone. And making sure of the three, too strong. Rebound, nagawa RJ, nagawa ng loose ball. Nag-iisip ng papasahan. Migs, corner 3. Sa ating first game of the night.
Hindi ko sabi pala.
Balik depensa ha.
Really good. Nag-iisip, crossover move. Umaybay ng baseline. Oh, good stuff. Alvin, lay up, yes sir! Pull away, Mediki, Bry for 3, yes sir! Looking to score, kick out to Bry, another one, yes sir! 2-on-1 situation, challenging Tommy Stevens, Gab! JV for 3. Mark E for 3. Also played by Arvin. Nag-drive ng goal. Pinasa kay Arvin for Mark E. 2 points. Mula. Nulupak kay Gary for 2. Nakabutas na dito. Happy nag-drive. Pinasa sa pinasa kay Brian versus PJ. Battle of the Giants.
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip, vroom vroom, skr, zoom, sa fake, no room, mga mata, namumula, asa ng trees.
Dito PJ. Back to Happy for 3. Maxi for 3. Stepping. Arvin to Brian. No good. That is for me on back. Pinag-drive na naman. Pinasa na naman sa labas kay Deo for 3. Mappy for 2.
Okay, for now. Mamaya.
JV for 3. There to win. RJ for Brian for 2. I can do this all day, sir. Gary. Drives on the baseline for 2. Chris all alone. 2 points.
Check lang. Hello.
JV Dureso nakapit pero they are on the line. Pinasakay Mark E for that.
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip, vroom vroom, skr, zoom, sa fake, no room.
We are tied at 20.
Start na!
Daya, walang red. Ayan, Gary for Billy, setting. Ayun. Ayan si JR. JR sa gitna.
Yun.
Brian for Mappy. Mappy decided to pass to Gary.
Somebody have something.
Take them up. JV.
Okay, here.
JV behind the back pass. They are looking to pass. Arvin. Long pass to Mappy. Mappy against Arvin. Last warning. Brian for Papalang yung screen.
Uy!
Nagpass! Ayan, 2-1, nagpass to 2 points.
Oh, takbo!
Tiga. 2 points. 2 points. L. Lumigit natin. Nag 2 points. Pinasok sa foul. Pinasok sa L. For the first round. No!
Uy! Tabla.
Foul. 2-3.
Uy!
Jab. Kalaban ang lahat. Naka 2 points. Niluwa. Joel. Gumawa ng space.
Uy!
Yung 2. Ay pass to goal.
Pilangan ba ng foul?
Wala.
Hindi, pero...
Uy! 3 points.
Game. Playoff.
Wala daw double team.
Ball. Babasa. Pasipaw. Susubo.
Hey! Boom! Woohoo!
Foul!
Uy! Atak oh! Good yan! Ooh! Baka magkasablay daw eh. Uy! Hindi pa. Habulin ni Gab yan. Yun, sabi siya, habulin.
3 points.
Tatay kayo! Tapos mo na shovel!
3 seconds.
Boom!
Fourth game.
Oh, 14 na. Brian! Binigyan ka agad?
Brian, Jeff, top of the key, fakes a 3, tumalaksa sa gitna. Finger roll and gets the basket. 2-on-1 situation. Bumitin sa area, binigay kay Brian. Easy, nagmamadali. Behind the back dribble. And gets the basket.
Uy!
JR, Silver, and gets the basket. Challenging defense, binigay kay Andy. Whoa, what a long pass. Direct a rebound na may
Uy!
JR. To lay up. Off the kasabi ni JR. Doon ka. Sabi Marky. Sige. Sige ako.
Uy!
Looking to shoot. Fakes.
Looking to shoot ang puta.
Baseline.
Power move.
Power moves.
Uy!
JR
binigay kay Marky corner 3.
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip, vroom vroom, skr skr, zoom zoom, sa fake, no room, mga mata, namumula, asa ng trees, nadala mo ba? Bawalan.
But we still have time. Goodbye ng baseline. Following jumper. No. Rebound. Marky on the rebound. And a putback. Now is the leading scorer of the ball game.
Oh!
JB. Binigay kay Arvin. Hook shot. Ryan on the putback. Double team kay JB. Oh, wide open kay JR. Intense defense by the blue shirts. Oy! One challenge by Nick. Sa baseline, nagiging Arvin pitch out kay JB. JB thinking to shoot. Drives anyway. Nice. Arvin foul and a basket. RJ for 3.
No.
First defense. JB fakes. Pulls. And gets the... JB, spin move, spin pass, Arvin now is gonna go. RJ, corner 3, gets the basket. RJ is super. Next game is team number 4 versus team number...
JJ to Chris. To one for 2. It's the very first 3 points. One looking to pass. Takes the shot. 3 points.
Bang.
Passing to Chris for 2. Ball saved by.
Yo. Yun. Boom! Tira. Nice. Uy! You know?
Happy Gary Aliu. 2 points. Pinasa Chris.
Anim. Ay, game 6. Pero sa...
Game of the JR group. Ball rotation, another 3 miss. Ryan on the rebound. 2-on-1 situation. Bigay kay Arvin and that JB Arvin to the first block. And the lowest block. JR. Hesi. 24. China-challenge the cup. Oh, what a shot! And a blow by. Joel continues to play. Hindi lang gagawin. Binigay kay Gab off the glass. Binigay kay JR. Hesitation. Needs challenging the shot. Alvin, binigay kay Brian. Floater.
Makikita mo dyan kung sino yung assist, ano. At saka,
Directing traffic. Left open in for 3 and hits the
JR.
binigay kay Brian. Brian seals the defense and gets takes the shot, but takes it after all. Oh! Yeah. And here comes the black shirts. Mark E, his own version of 3. Oh!
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip.
Ang ating mini tour namin. And play. And Mark E left wide open once again. Another 3.
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip. Vroom vroom.
Binigay kay Alvin. Alvin takes the shot for 3. Too strong. Rebound now on the trial. Katapit ni Marcel Mangroel. And get directing traffic. Pull up jumper. Oh! Sabi nga. Wait lang. And JR another 3. Oh no! And here comes JR. JR is and down all alone. Is this a breakaway? Humabol si Alvin. And another wide open 3. Short this time. But Mix is there to clean up. JR, floater off the glass. Good JR. Marky fakes the 3. Binigay kay Brian. Brian. Oh, yung spin comes JB. JB binigay kay Marky. Marky off the glass.
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip.
JR, quick step. And the pass to Noel. Noel, 2 points. Yes, sir. Foul. And it's
Sugod yan. Yun, napas. Yun na. Yun na. Nice one. Nice one. Luka Doncic.
Nice man! Next play. Patay. Isa.
Tan-tan-tan.
Ang huli!
Ayan. Ana. Yo!
Putang ina, pag binabat din.
Uy.
Subukan mo iba tonal, papasok.
Angat.
Bakit nag-stay dito?
Yo. Yo.
Wala nga yung kinuha ko mababa. Kaya pala yung iba, may titira pa ni Mix yan.
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip. Vroom vroom, skr skr, zoom zoom. Sa fake, no room. Mga mata, namumula. Asa ng trees, nadala mo ba?